What kind of trouble you in?
All my problems started a few months ago.
Ah, you mean all these problems started a few months ago?
You're a jerk.
Naturally.
Just so used to this being the area for the trash.
What happened to you?
Oh, I got demoted.
Sometimes the pitcher needs to be pulled so the quarterback on the jury gets a little more ice time.
Gonna need you to run a report for me.
So if you could help Amelia out, you to cover for me. So you'll have to stay here and finish it, won't you? Over the weekend.
Pat Foster.
You say something stupid to break the ice?
Kind of like a memorial site.
This is not the same young man who left a few years ago with ambition enough to change the world.
Wolf.
Woof.
Wolf.
Woof.
Wolf.
Woof.
Wolf.
When all you gotta keep is strong, move along like
That should be fun times.
And even
People will walk all over you as long as you let them.
move along, just to make it through. When all you gotta keep is strong, move along like I know you do.
So how long are you suspended?
Right back, what is wrong? We move on.
Hugs aren't for men.